Well, hello, everyone. This is John Byrne with Poets and Quants. Welcome to Emory University's Goizueta Business School Spotlight. We're going to talk about Getting It Done 101, a step-by-step guide to your MBA application. Now, it's no secret that applying to an MBA program can seem daunting. It often feels like a marathon process, in fact. But when you tackle it step by step, it becomes a lot easier. And Goizueta has the perfect guide to help you through that process. The application process is as much about schools getting to know you as it is about you getting to know the schools. And the way you are treated during admissions is clearly an indication of how you'll be treated when enrolled. Is one school admissions team high touch and genuinely interested in getting to know you? Does another school have a hands-off generic approach? Well, these and other tips you'll find in this really smart blog post. It's featured by the Goizueta Business School, so check it out. This is John Byrne. You've been watching Emory University's Goizueta Business School Spotlight.